Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into some messy drama unfolding online between Tina and the person she refers to as the royal beggar. If you have been following along, you already know the tensions building up. But here's where we break it down for you and analyze what's really going on behind the scene. Is Tina definitely defending Donna, Dimes and Lothian? Or is she just stirring the pot for more drama? I want to make it clear at this point that I'm analyzing behavior and intentions as I see them in front of me. Some may see it as fighting or defending Donna, but no, I'm defending truth and what is right. My goal is to expose what some may not be able to see in the latest of Tina's masterclass in manipulating situations, this time analysing Kriss's action. Kriss being the baker from the UK. So, as we've seen and heard, Kriss went on Facebook and dumped Miss Donna's cake publicly. Now, Tina, as we know, has never been one to shy away from controversy, and right now it seems like she's capitalizing on Kriss's action. We've got Tina calling out Kriss for exposing the cake that was off, and she's claiming that Kriss has an agenda. But let's be real, is Tina really trying to defend Donna or Miss Lothian, as she mentioned? Or is she just playing the drama game to keep the audience hooked? On one hand, Tina is definitely stirring the pot. She knows that drama sells, and she's no stranger to using it for views. By claiming that Kriss is disrespecting Donna, she's creating a narrative that gets people talking. But is she actually defending Donna or using this moment to push the drama forward for her own gain? It is clear that Tina knows how to play the game. By dragging in figures like Donna and Kriss, Tina is putting herself in the spotlight. What better way to keep your audience engaged than by feeding them juicy gossip and drama? With every post, every rant, Tina's making sure that people keep coming back to hear her opinions, and the more she gets involved, the more views and attention she's grabbing. Now, as we're aware, Tina has some deep personal issues with people involved in this drama. Donna, Dimes, Kriss, and Miss Lothian. But here's the thing. Tina is pretending to care for Donna and Miss Lothian, but it's looking more like she's using them as pawns in her own game. She might be claiming to defend them, but look at the bigger picture. Tina's involvement is only making the situation worse, not better. Tina's pretending to play the role of moral defender, but in reality, she's stirring the pot to get the drama brewing. Now, let's take a look at what happened with Kriss. Some might say, what was he trying to achieve by posting the cake on Facebook? Was it in a move to expose Donna as unprofessional? Or was it just a way to start some drama of his own? As many have highlighted, the cake was fresh when Donna gave it to Kriss, but was then refrigerated for a month and left out for an extended period after this. This could have compromised the cake's freshness and quality. However, it would not necessarily be Donna's fault since she gave it fresh. The cake's deterioration likely to happen due to improper storage and the length of time that it was out. It wasn't given in the condition that Kriss was showing it on Facebook. Donna, as a baker, could be seen as responsible for making sure that the cake was stored properly or advising Kriss how to handle it after receiving it, especially if the cake wasn't meant to be stored at room temperature for long periods. But as I heard from certain parties, Donna had told Kris that the cake did not need refrigerating. But after some time, when you've had a cake out, it's only common sense. It's going to go off. But I still don't blame Donna for the deterioration of the cake, because it was kept for far too long. Now, considering Kris and Donna are friends, the situation becomes trickier. For Kris to publicly post about the cake being off, especially when he was aware that it was fresh when received, to me and maybe to some other people, it shows lack of respect or loyalty. Even if the cake did spoil later, the appropriate course of action should have been to discuss it privately, especially since they have a friendship. So posting it online instead of communicating it directly with Donna first just suggests that there might be some ulterior motives at play, especially given the history of animosity with Tina, who seems to have her own agenda in all of this. This could suggest that Kris might be using the cake as a vehicle to stir drama, even though the issue was really one of poor storage on their part, not Donna's. Tina, as we know, Tina is not a friend of any of the individuals mentioned, and she has a long-standing grudge. It's likely, and I am sure, that she's fueled the fire by exaggerating the situation or misinterpreting things. Tina is using this opportunity to create further discord between Donna and possibly Lothian and Kris, pretending to care for her while she's actually stirring the pot. This is just all pure sarcasm as far as I can see. And if anybody can't see, Tina's trying to be moralistic and whatever. I mean, saying she's going to put differences aside. But anybody with sense can see the bigger picture. Tina's stance of pretending to defend Donna while actually fanning the flames of conflict is very much in line with someone who enjoys seeing people argue, especially when it's people she doesn't like. Tina is making a bigger deal out of the situation than it needs to be, either out of malice or to create tension between the parties involved. Tina's hatred for the people involved makes her want to see them fall out with each other. Her concern for Donna seems like a cover to escalate the conflict between Kris and herself. While at the same time, Tina is pretending that, there's a lot of moralistic things wrong here. She was definitely using this position to put down Donna, at the same time talking about her hygiene in baking and also putting down Kris. So this is what it's really all about. Now back to Kris. By posting the cake being off, could Kris have been trying to expose Donna or cause trouble? But given the back and forth in the story and the handling of the cake, it seems likely was he trying to embarrass her indirectly or stir up a fight with someone to embarrass her indirectly? But the real question here is, why not handle it privately? Why involve the public, especially when he knew that the situation wasn't Donna's fault? It wasn't entirely her fault. This implies that the real motive wasn't just concern, but likely a desire to provoke or create drama. Kris shouldn't have dumped the cake on Facebook, especially in the light of Donna's enemies who are going to come out, people like Tina, who's going to come out and have her passionate say and have her masterclass on baking. It seems that Kris' public post was a reaction to the cake spoilage due to improper storage, but doing so on social media instead of having a private conversation with Donna to to me, it shows a lack of respect. If he was truly concerned, then he should have addressed it privately rather than airing the issue publicly, knowing the drama it was going to create. So Tina's action pretending to care about Donna and Miss Lothian appeared to be part of her strategy to stir up drama, not a genuine defense of them. She sees this situation as an opportunity to fuel the conflict and to drive a wedge between the parties involved. Kris mishandled the situation by airing dirty laundry in public, and Tina is using the opportunity to manipulate the narrative, pretending to defend while secretly trying to escalate the drama and to curse Donna or to put Donna down in a subtle kind of way. It's all hidden in her masterclass. So guys, what do you think? Is anybody here on this, watching this video, is anybody here thinking that Tina is genuinely trying to defend Donna and Miss Lothian? Or is she just feeding the drama for her own benefit? And as for Kris, was his public post about the cake just an attempt to expose Donna? Or was it a calculated move to stir up controversy? Or was he innocent in his behavior? Was he just innocently posting, not realizing the drama or realizing how this might offend Donna? At the end of the day, it's clear that the whole situation is just being used to create online drama, and we're all just spectators in the middle of it. Let me know what you think in the comment. Who was wrong here? Tina, Kris, or Donna? What do you think? And do you think the drama will end anytime soon? Or is it just going to keep escalating? So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an update. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a blessed weekend. One love.